The groundbreaking MINI Countryman marks a historic milestone as the first Mini to roll off production lines in Germany, sharing space with BMW at the cutting-edge Leipzig Plant. This larger, more sophisticated Countryman showcases state-of-the-art manufacturing processes where precision robotics and skilled craftspeople work in harmony to build Mini's most advanced SUV to date. The production line seamlessly integrates traditional Mini characters with BMW's renowned German engineering excellence. Now, let's take a closer look at how this incredible car comes to life. The production of the MINI Countryman begins with the stamping press stage, where precision and technology come together to build the vehicle's foundation. The manufacturing line is powered by an army of bright orange KUKA robots arranged in a carefully choreographed system. These robots handle various tasks such as welding, moving parts, and positioning components, all working in perfect harmony to assemble the car's structure. Alongside the robots, advanced lighting inspection systems cast a striking blue glow as they scan the vehicle's body for any imperfections. This ensures every detail meets the highest quality standards. As the production process unfolds, raw metal components are precisely fitted together by robotic arms, each equipped with specialized tools for specific tasks. The car's distinctive shape begins to emerge as these pieces are welded and assembled. Skilled technicians work alongside the automated systems, performing detailed quality checks and handling tasks that require human precision, especially in the body fitting station. Their expertise complements the robots, ensuring every part is perfectly aligned. Throughout the facility, digital monitoring screens and control panels display real-time production data and quality control metrics. These tools help maintain precise manufacturing standards at every step. Multiple quality control stations are strategically placed along the line, using specialized lighting and measurement tools to verify dimensional accuracy and surface quality. Heavy-duty conveyor systems and guide rails transport the vehicle bodies between stations, ensuring they are perfectly positioned for each stage of assembly. Safety is a top priority in the facility, with yellow safety railings and clearly marked work zones protecting both workers and equipment. The clean, well-lit workspace reflects BMW's commitment to modern manufacturing and the premium nature of the MINI brand. This combination of cutting-edge technology, skilled craftsmanship, and rigorous quality control sets the stage for the MINI Countryman, showcasing the care and precision that goes into every vehicle. The paint shop is where the MINI Countryman gets its vibrant color and protective finish. This stage is a carefully controlled process, ensuring every vehicle leaves with a flawless, durable coat. The journey begins with initial paint preparation, where the car body enters a clean, controlled environment to avoid any contaminants. Automated spraying systems prepare the surface with a fine mist, ensuring even moisture distribution for the paint to adhere perfectly. Next, the body cleaning stage takes place. High-pressure sprays target the car's exterior, removing any leftover dirt or grease. Specialized nozzles ensure every nook and cranny is cleaned, creating the ideal surface for maximum paint adhesion. The car then moves to the submersion for base coating. Here, the body is dipped into a treatment tank filled with a primer or anti-corrosion solution. The tank rotates systematically, ensuring the liquid coats every surface, even hard-to-reach areas. This anti-corrosion treatment adds a protective layer to prevent rust and boosts the durability of the final paint job. Once the body emerges, excess liquid drips off and is collected for recycling, showcasing the facility's efficiency. After submersion, the car enters the drying phase. Heated areas with fans and heaters work together to evaporate any remaining moisture, ensuring the surface is perfectly dry and ready for the next steps. The surface polishing and brushing stage follows, where large automated brushes gently polish the body. This step smooths out any irregularities, ensuring the surface is flawless and ready for paint. Now comes the paint application by robots. Robotic arms with precision nozzles spray the first layer of paint onto the car body. These robots are programmed to apply even coats, reaching every angle and surface with incredible accuracy. Once the initial paint is applied, the car moves to the quality inspection stage. Sensors and cameras scan the surface for consistency and flaws. Any imperfections are corrected immediately, ensuring the highest quality before moving forward. The top coat application is next, where a second set of robotic arms adds the final layer of color, and a glossy finish. This top coat not only enhances the car's appearance, but also provides an extra layer of protection. Finally, the car enters the final curing process. Here, it's placed in an oven where high temperatures cure the paint, solidifying the layers. This step ensures the finish is durable and long-lasting, completing the paint process. The paint shop is a perfect blend of advanced technology and meticulous attention to detail, giving the MINI Countryman its stunning look and lasting protection. The production of the MINI Countryman's exterior plastic components is a blend of precision engineering and advanced technology. Here's how it all comes together. The process begins with plastic component molding, where large molding machines shape raw plastic into parts like bumpers, trims, and panels. These molds are precision engineered to create intricate designs that match the vehicle's aesthetic and functional requirements. Next, robotic finishing touches take over. Advanced robotic arms, equipped with specialized tools, smooth out edges and remove imperfections from the molded parts. These robots also handle tasks like drilling and polishing, ensuring consistent quality across every piece. To enhance durability, the plastic components undergo heat treatment. Heat guns or infrared systems temper the parts, making them stronger and more resistant to heat. This step also helps maintain the desired shape of the components as they cool. Once treated, the parts move to automated assembly lines, where robots inspect and align them for further processing. Sensors ensure each piece meets strict dimensional tolerances, guaranteeing a perfect fit during final assembly. Before painting, the surface preparation stage ensures the plastic components are clean and ready. Specialized robots remove any grease or residue, which is crucial for paint adhesion and longevity. The painting and coating application follows, with robots equipped with precision spray nozzles applying an even coat of primer. This layer not only enhances durability, but also prepares the surface for the final paint. Human oversight plays a key role in quality checks. Workers manually inspect the components for defects or inconsistencies, making adjustments as needed. This ensures no imperfections are overlooked before the parts move forward. In the sub-assembly processes, plastic parts are combined with other components, such as metal inserts, through fastening or adhesive bonding. This step integrates the plastic parts into larger assemblies like bumpers or side panels. To ensure longevity, the components undergo UV resistance testing. They are exposed to UV light to verify they can withstand prolonged sun exposure without fading or cracking, ensuring a longer lifespan. Finally, the finished plastic components are transported to the main assembly line, ready to be fitted onto the vehicle's frame. Their seamless integration ensures the car's aesthetic appeal and structural quality. The assembly of exterior components is a meticulous process that combines human skill with precision tools. Workers manually align and attach parts like bumpers and trims, ensuring a perfect fit. Pre-assembled parts are carefully integrated onto the vehicle body, with workers handling each piece with care. During the inspection for defects, components are examined under specialized lighting to identify surface imperfections or misalignments. Workers wear gloves to avoid leaving fingerprints or causing damage during the inspection. Manual fitment adjustments are made in real time to ensure parts fit perfectly onto the body frame. This involves securing fasteners and verifying alignment to meet design specifications. Smaller components, such as trims, are carefully placed and secured in the application of the detail component stage. This step requires precision to ensure all parts sit flush with the body panels, enhancing the vehicle's overall appearance. Robotic systems assist in the integration of roof components, such as panoramic sunroofs. Sensors in the robots detect alignment accuracy and apply consistent pressure for a secure, watertight fit. Inside the vehicle, workers complete the final interior assembly check, focusing on dashboard elements and electrical components. This ensures all integrated systems operate smoothly. The rear door inspection and alignment stage ensures the rear door is attached securely and operates seamlessly. Workers verify the locking mechanisms and check that gaps between the door and body panels meet manufacturer standards. Glass panel installation involves carefully positioning and securing rear windows. Adhesive is applied uniformly to prevent leaks and ensure durability. To facilitate efficient assembly, the vehicle body rotates on an assembly line jig during the rotation of the vehicle body stage. This allows workers access to all angles, ensuring thorough assembly and inspection. Finally, the quality assurance testing stage involves a comprehensive check of the assembled vehicle. Any detected issues are addressed immediately to meet production standards, ensuring the car is ready for the next stages of production. The main body assembly station is where the vehicle shell is prepared for final assembly. The car is mounted on a modular platform that moves along the assembly line, allowing workers easy access to internal components through open hoods and doors. Robotic systems handle the dashboard installation, positioning, and attaching the dashboard and internal electronics with precision. Sensors ensure proper alignment and placement, meeting safety and design standards. The interior component integration stage focuses on installing seats, wiring harnesses, and control modules. Protective covers shield completed parts from damage during subsequent processes. Overhead robotic arms assist in roof and wiring installation, ensuring roof panels and internal wiring are securely connected. Wire harnesses are strategically routed for the efficient operation of vehicle systems. At the rear assembly section, workers manually attach and inspect components like tailgate frames and rear panels. Quality checks focus on alignment and secure attachment of both exterior and interior parts. The tailgate assembly and alignment stage involves precision tools and manual adjustments to ensure the tailgate operates smoothly. Workers verify the locking mechanism and gas struts for proper functionality. Logo and branding application is done manually, with workers affixing emblems and model names using templates for accurate placement. This step ensures the vehicle's polished final appearance. The final rear component integration stage completes the rear assembly, with rear windows, lights, and trim pieces added. Adhesives and fasteners ensure durability and aesthetics. A comprehensive visual and functional inspection follows, where each vehicle is checked for defects or inconsistencies. Specialized lighting helps workers detect minor flaws in fitment or finish. Finally, the vehicle is prepared for final assembly testing, where all mechanical and electronic systems are verified. This ensures the car is ready for delivery and meets the highest quality standards. The rear window installation stage involves workers manually aligning and securing rear windows. Precision tools and adhesives ensure the glass is both secure and weather-resistant. Seats are pre-assembled and carefully covered to prevent damage during the seat assembly and insertion stage. Robotic arms or hoists assist workers in positioning seats accurately inside the vehicle cabin. Workers bolt seats into the vehicle floor during the seat securement stage, ensuring proper alignment with mounting points. Quality checks verify stability and functionality. Using an overhead lift system, doors are aligned and secured to the body frame in the door attachment stage. Workers inspect and test the opening and closing mechanisms for smooth operation. The engine installation stage involves lowering the engine into the vehicle using a robotic system. Mounts and brackets are fastened to secure the engine to the chassis. During chassis and powertrain integration, the vehicle body is placed onto the chassis, where the powertrain and suspension components are joined. Robotic systems handle this process for accuracy and efficiency. Completed assemblies are transported via overhead conveyor systems to the next stage, reducing floor space usage and enhancing workflow. The rear assembly completion stage finalizes the rear of the vehicle with a tailgate, rear lights, and finishing trims installed. Workers ensure proper alignment and secure attachment. The undercarriage installation stage involves attaching essential components like the battery pack and other systems. Specialized hoists hold the vehicle securely while technicians work underneath. Inside the vehicle, the interior dashboard assembly stage focuses on installing dashboard components and connecting electrical systems. Workers ensure precision while securing the steering wheel and controls. The steering wheel integration stage involves mounting and testing the steering wheel to ensure proper alignment and functionality. Workers manually check the integration with electronic and mechanical systems. The front fascia attachment stage sees the front bumper and grille assembled and secured to the frame using automated lifting tools. Technicians inspect for gaps in alignment to maintain aerodynamic performance. Front-end components like headlights and sensors are tested for proper alignment during the final front-end alignment stage. Adjustments are made to ensure optimal visibility and functionality. Tires are mounted onto the vehicle with robotic assistance in the wheel and tire installation stage. Workers secure each wheel with lug nuts and use torque wrenches to meet safety standards. After installation, The tires are balanced to prevent vibration during operation during the tire balancing and inspection stage. Barcode scanning ensures each tire meets manufacturing specifications. The hood and door alignment stage involves adjusting the hood and doors for a seamless fit. Workers conduct visual inspections to confirm uniform gaps and smooth operation. Functional testing verifies electrical systems like lighting, sensors, and infotainment, as well as mechanical operations like steering and suspension. This ensures reliability before the vehicle moves to the final stage. Finally, fully assembled vehicles are prepared for road testing, where dynamic systems are evaluated on a testing track. This ensures each vehicle meets safety and quality standards before delivery. The final stage of the MINI Countryman production process is all about ensuring every vehicle meets the highest standards of quality, performance, and safety. Here's how it's done. The final assembly of testing and finish stage begins with a thorough inspection of the vehicle's exterior and systems. Every detail is checked to ensure the car is ready for the road. Next, a worker performs surface polishing, giving the car's exterior a final clean and polish. This step removes any blemishes or dust, leaving the surface flawless and ready for delivery. The vehicle then moves to a specialized area for lighting and alignment tests. Here, headlights and alignment are checked for accuracy and proper functioning, ensuring optimal visibility and safety. In the tire rotation and inspection stage, the wheels undergo a spin test to verify proper alignment, balance, and smooth operation. This ensures a comfortable and safe driving experience. The car is then driven onto a testing track within the factory to evaluate handling and noise levels. This step simulates real-world driving conditions, ensuring the vehicle performs as expected. For emissions and diagnostic checks, the vehicle enters a closed testing chamber. Exhaust emissions are measured to ensure compliance with environmental standards, and diagnostic systems are verified for accuracy. During dynamic testing, the car is subjected to simulated driving conditions. This includes testing the suspension, brakes, and overall handling to ensure everything functions correctly. The electronic system validation stage focuses on the car's screens and control systems. Displays, navigation, and system responses are checked to ensure they operate smoothly and accurately. A team of inspectors conducts a final quality control inspection, reviewing the vehicle's build quality. This includes checking the paint, fittings, and overall assembly to ensure everything meets MINI's premium standards. Once all tests are passed, the vehicle is approved for release in the sign-off and dispatch stage. It moves to the dispatch area, ready to be delivered to its new owner.